What if I told you you could build legs that are thick, powerful, unstoppable, without ever touching a barbell, dumbbell, or machine? Sounds impossible, right? Most people think you need a gym to grow your legs, but that's a lie. Calisthenics can give you serious quads, hamstrings, glutes, and explosive strength if you know the secret most athletes miss. Can you overload your legs with just your body weight? Can you push them to real growth without equipment? The answer is yes, but only if you train smart. Here's why most calisthenics athletes fail at leg training. They pick moves that are too easy, stuck grinding endless reps with zero results. Or they go too hard, risking injury, frustration, wasted effort. There's a sweet spot, the perfect progression that pushes you hard enough to spark real growth, while keeping your form clean and your joints safe. Ignore this, and your legs will never reach their full potential. Forget the myth that calisthenics is all upper body. Plenty of athletes are hitting their legs harder than you think. And today, I'm showing you exactly how. 4 bodyweight moves that will transform your lower body if done right. First, standard squats. The foundation of leg training. Quads, glutes, hamstrings, all targeted, while building stability that carries over to every movement you do. Beginners get results. Advanced athletes add jumps for explosive power. Struggling? Try box squats to control depth without losing intensity. Second, Bulgarian split squats. Single-leg powerhouses, fixing imbalances, targeting quads, glutes, hamstrings. Too easy? Grab a weight. Too hard? Keep your back foot down and control the movement. Third, lateral or archer squats. Not just quads, they fire your inner thighs, glutes, and hips, while challenging balance and flexibility. Beginners limit depth. Advanced athletes add weight for next-level gains. Fourth, Nordic curls. The king of hamstring builders. Focus on the eccentric phase, the lowering part, where real growth happens. Drop the hands for a true challenge, or use a band or your arms for support if needed. Master this, and your hamstrings will grow stronger than ever. 2 mistakes destroy leg progress faster than anything. 1. Rushing the eccentric phase. The lowering portion is where your muscles grow. Slow it down. Feel every inch. 2. Bouncing at the bottom of squats or lunges. Momentum does the work, not your muscles. Your joints pay the price. Stop it, and you'll save your knees while boosting gains. Here's the takeaway. Know your level. Pick the right progression. Execute your 4 moves with perfect form, respecting the eccentric phase. If you're ready to build legs that aren't just bigger, but stronger, explosive, balanced, the Calisthenics Playbook is your next step. Packed with progressions, routines, strategies. Athletes in over 100 countries swear by it to turn body weight into power. Don't settle for average. Don't chase trends. Like, subscribe, and comment if you're ready to level up your lower body and unlock your omega body potential. Build strength. Build discipline. Build legs that demand respect. This is Omega Body, where growth is earned, not given.